Hi, I'm Bean. Today I have for you a little spring apricot colored makeup look. Tangerines and peaches have sort of had like their little moment, you know, so whenever I saw that Karen actually posted a video using apricot tones, I got inspired to sort of do my own interpretation. So if you care to see how I completed this look, make sure you keep watching. First, I'm just applying my favorite moisturizer for a little bit of extra boost, Paula's Choice Hydrating Treatment. Then I'm just going to go into my favorite matte primer at the moment by Fenty Beauty. This combination is great because I want my makeup to appear dewy and young without too much extra moisture that'll just contribute to my oily spots throughout the spring. Now I'll just be applying some Amazonian Clay Foundation and Kat Von D Whiteout Concealer. You know how that goes. Now I'll just use Kat Von D's Lock It Loose powder to set anywhere that I concealed. And now I get to let my hair breathe. Done. Lately, I've actually been using a setting spray after I apply my base rather than just using more setting powder. So I'm going to do that very quickly. I meant to do this before I took my hair down, but whatever. Now I'll just quickly use the Anastasia Dipbrow and this Cella Brow Gel to do my eyebrows, and we can move on to the eye look. Now using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, I'm going to put this super cute Sherbirdy shade Orange Soda all over my lid. Then I'll reach for the Just Peachy Mattes palette and use the shade Peach Tea on my outer corner and crease. Then that will be followed by Peach Tarte, just concentrated on my little outer corner there. Then I will also drag that into my waterline with a more precise brush. After that, I'm just going to grab bronze, again from the Soft Glam palette, and put that right in the center of my lower lid. Now we can use a Precision Brown liquid liner to make a really small wing on our upper lash line. Careful not to really cover too much of the eyeshadow that we just spent so much time on. Going back into Peach Tarte with the precision brush, I'm just going to use that to kind of smoke out the eyeliner a bit, really just on the outer part of my eye. Now just to open my eyes a bit more, I'm going to take some more of Orange Soda and put it sort of under my wing here, as well as some Peach Meringue right into my inner corner. And then finally, just to blend everything out, I'm taking, what am I taking? Peaches and Cream, and circling it around my eye makeup. Mascara. Now finally, moving on, for the blush, I'm going to use this Tarte shade Feisty, which has a hint of like apricotiness to it. I'm gonna apply it across the apples of my cheeks all the way into my nose for more of like a sun-kissed appearance. Take that a step further, I'll go into this warm shade out of my little e.l.f. bronzing palette to circle around my 3 zone, just warming up my face but not really chiseling or doing anything crazy. Finally, I will apply some loose highlighting powder and we can move on to our lips. Okay, so today I'm going to be using this little Tarteist lip mini in the shade Rosé and just softly applying it all over my mouth and then making sure to buff out any like harsh lines that form around the edges of my lips. And then once that has the effect that you like, also take Kylie's Butternut shade and apply it just right in the center of your lips, also making sure that it blends really soft and seamlessly. Now we'll just apply some setting spray and we're all done. Okay, I hope that you guys enjoyed this easy spring tutorial on a apricot makeup look, and I will talk to you later. Bye!